Hi all, this is David Lee, ABT's BCBA, with another clip on how to upload documents and files to the PC onto Behavior Tracker. Okay, the first thing we're going to have to do is sign in. I use Firefox as a browser because I can put links at the top of the page for easy clicking, and since I go to Team Portal all the time, I do that a lot. So I put it up here at the top. Once you click and you go to the website, you can see that there's a username and a password you got to put in. Those will be provided, the username, so you can get in there. It's a secure connection. You'll put all that stuff in there and hit the login. You can see where it says remember me next time. That doesn't work for me. I don't know why. I've got auto remember on Firefox. It doesn't remember. So in any case, you're going to log in, and then you're going to see a bunch of possible things you can click on, like document management in the lower right. But first you're going to have to select your client or student in the upper left. So go up to the upper left and look at that drop down box and select your particular client that you want to upload files or documents to. In this case, we are going to select ABT Crash Test, which is just a dummy account, and then we're going to put in a file or document so we can see how it all works. So we have a file somewhere on your hard drive. Hopefully you've got it all carefully organized in folders, but you're going to click on the Browse button, and that's going to take you to that folder, or you're going to navigate to that folder, and you're going to find the file that you want to upload to Behavior Tracker into the team documents for your client. Okay, since you have now browsed to the file you want, it'll show you on the screen that your document is now selected. And then the job from here is pretty simple. All you're going to do is describe the document, add a tag, and then add a description. To make it easier for yourself, you can copy the title of the document, Sensory Motor Play Program doc in this case, and keep it in your clipboard memory. And then you can just paste it into to describe the document, and then in a tag, it depends on what kind of document it is, whether it's a chart or something like that. You put that in, and then under description comments, if you don't need to say much more, you can just repaste the same title. If you do have to be more definitive, then you have to describe what the document is so people can understand what they might be downloading. And this isn't really a big problem. You just know what the document contains, and you put a little summary in the description and comments, and you're good to go on that. If your file's in and everything looks okay, then you hit the Upload the File button, and it'll put the file onto Behavior Tracker's website for all to see and download. You may be able to delete it yourself, or maybe change some of the particulars if you made a little error, so you can always keep that in mind. But that's pretty much it for uploading files and documents. You can upload all kinds of documents and files. There's a list of things that are on the right, different file types that you can put in, and for all I know, they've added some and haven't bothered to update that list, so you'd have to find that out. Well, this concludes the instructional video on how to upload files and documents to Behavior Tracker using a PC. And if you have an iPad, there's another video for that you can look at. In the meantime, this is David Lee, and I will see you in another video. Bye.